Hey there, people. How's it going? And today we're going to be talking about the Playskool Colors and Shapes flashcards. Yeah. Well, it's back to school time, and my kids are getting prepared for all the different things that they got to do in school. And before school starts, especially in like preschool or anything, there's certain things that you should have for your child if he hasn't started like kindergarten yet. And my kid is going into kindergarten this year, and he practices with, like, before he goes into kindergarten, there's certain things that if you want to give your kids like that head start, like maybe a year or even as early as possible, you try them out on, learning the basics, so when they get to school, they kind of excel, right? They got like that head start, So Playskool has a lot of different items for that. And this is one of them. These are all kinds of different shapes. See, like here you have the circle, you have the triangle, you have the rectangle, the oval, the diamond, the heart, all these different kinds of shapes that kids need to know, when they go into school. And if they go in there already knowing, they have a head start. And I love that. I always like to make sure that my kids don't struggle and they learn things even before they have to learn it. Meaning they learn it before the school or the teachers teach it. So they're kind of ahead. So on their records, it always looks like, they are doing very well. Not just looks like, but they are, because you take time to sit with your kids and, you practice with them, It's just a good idea to have all kind of educational products that, give your kids the head start. And I'm glad that Playskool, which makes a lot of these kind of things, has taken the initiative here and made a lot of different items just to do just that. And they're fun, this basic skills, Playskool colors and shapes, these flashcards, and kids love it. They don't see it so much like work because they're very colorful, they're big, and they do the job, and it makes it easy to remember. And the thing is, they even have the word there, circle and triangle, so it kind of, in a ways, setting them up to read too, word association. So, like I said, anytime you can give them that head start, anything you can do to actually get them to, understand and learn fast and easy and with fun involved, kids are going to love it and they're going to learn so much easier. Anytime they think they're doing a lot of work or anything like that and it's not fun, you lose their attention, unless you have that real brainy kid that like just loves anything educational. So, but I really like these cards. These cards have really done wonders, and my kid really learns fast with these. When I first wanted to start giving my kid the head start, I would just take a piece of paper and just draw the shapes on the paper and say, what's that? And what's that? And what's that? He was learning that way, and he did think it was fun until I got these, which is so much more entertaining, than you just drawing a black and white circle, So he really, really loved it when I brought home these cards, and it made him want to do it. So now he wants to actually participate in these kind of things. I mean, he's the one to initiate it. He'll go to his room and then come out and say, Daddy, let's go over the shapes. Here, let me see how many I can get straight without no mistakes. Okay, let's do it. That's what I want to hear. Right. And it's all because of that. I mean, he didn't do that when I was just drawing the pictures on the page or on the paper. But when I got the cards, he was. So I really like this basic skills. Yeah, the Playskool has really done good making these. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys use this information. And this is the Playskool Colors and Shapes flashcards. All right, I'll talk to you guys again soon. Okay, bye-bye.